Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money answering questions. It's super simple, guys, and I promise you're going to get something from this, so just stick around. I think this is really going to help a lot of you out who want to actually profit off of something that you have a specialty in, okay? So, with that being said, before we get into the content, I want to go ahead and invite you to smash that subscribe button down below if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the life you deserve. All right. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. All right. So with that being said, let's get right into today's video. All right. Here we go. The website we're going to be talking about today is called Just Answer. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just kind of give you a quick outline of how the website works, how you make money, and what's the overall purpose for it. All right. So as I said, it's called JustAnswer.com. All right. So as you can see, it says earn money by offering your services online. So that basically means, what are you passionate about? What do you specialize in? Right. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see, it says categories. Okay, so like animal behavior, boats, appraisals, cars, computers, consumer electronics, engineering, finance, and so on and so on and so on. There's a ton of different categories. Sorry. All right, so let's just say that you're skilled at helping people with homework, right? So let's click on homework, and then we're going to click select a specialty. Okay, you're, here we go, business and finance. Calculus and above, essays, French, general homework, math. You kind of get the concept, right? You're basically going to be helping people. You're going to be answering their questions. You're going to be guiding them on their way to get better at whatever it is that they want to get better at, right? Or if they just have, like, general questions. All right, so that's just one example. So let's go to another one, right? Let's go to animal behavior. So what is your specialty in animal behavior? Well, let's see what they have. So you see bird, cat, dog training, general animal behavior, right? So people are going to have questions about these specific categories and specialties. So it's your job to be an expert and help them, understand it better, because that's what you're going to get paid for. All right. So let's scroll down here, and let me put this phone on vibrate. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so let's move this over here. All right, so here we go. This is how this whole thing works. Okay, so as I said before, offer your services online. Okay, that's basically what you're doing, using what you know how to do to help other people. Okay, now how, like some of you guys are probably watching this and like, okay, well, like, what do I do to get paid? Okay, so here's the answer to that question. It says you respond and get paid. So basically what that means, when you answer questions, that's how you're gonna get paid. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And if it does, just go ahead and put "it makes sense" down in the comments. All right. So as you can see, I want you to pay attention to this. Right, this is not a guarantee, right? Because I don't make guarantees. But take a look right here. It says make money doing what you love. It says top experts earn thousands each month helping customers solve everyday issues. So that's all you're really doing. You're just helping people solve their problems. If you're someone who has a specialty and you're good at that specialty, and maybe you do that full time at your job, but maybe you can actually do that same thing online, but just help people who have questions about it and they're not as educated as you because you're the expert, right? All right, so that is really it, guys. It's a really simple application process, as you can see here. All you have to do is just pick the category. Also, after that, pick the specialty that category. Within that category, put your email here, and then hit start my application. Okay, and then that's how you would go through the rest of the process, and then they would have you sign up for how you would want to get paid. Okay. And let me point out one more thing. This is definitely important. Where is it? Okay, so here we go. We respect your time, so we promise to review and respond to your application in a timely manner. So anywhere from 5 to 10 business days. For applicants, this is the important part, USA and Canada. Okay, so what that means is if you're in the USA or Canada, you're eligible to do this. Okay, those two, US and Canada, that's it. Okay, all right, so let's go to another way for you to make money while answering questions, and this is going to be valuable. I highly recommend you pay close attention to this because I think you're going to get some value, and it's actually going to help you put money in your pocket if you just follow what I'm showing you. Okay, so let's go over to a website called Quora.com. So what Quora.com is, it's a question and answer type forum thing where you basically, there's a ton of people, a ton of different people answering questions, also asking questions in specific categories. Same kind of concept as you've seen over here where they had categories, but with this, look over here. It says proximity marketing, startups, tourism, musicians, airlines. So basically what you do is you go into these different forums that you know you can provide value to other people in, right? Because that's what I've been doing, and that's my strategy, right? So let me show you real quickly what this particular website allows me to do every single month. Okay, so let me go over here to my profile, and I'm going to show you what I'm able to do consistently. I've been doing this consistently, and here's the crazy thing. This has become passive traffic for me, and let me show you why. Okay, so this, you can come over here, set your little profile pic, do a little quick bio, and blase, right? But check out this, right? The last time I've answered a question was July 13th. Now, some of you are probably like, well, okay, well, if you answered a question so long ago, then why are you showing this to us? Is this still working for you? Yes, it's still working for me, right? And I want to show you how. Okay, so like I said, people ask questions. This was someone else's question. I went ahead and I answered that question. Now, what can happen is when you provide value in written format, right? What you can also do is after you provided value in written content, but you want to give people more of a visual, you can then give them a call to action to say, hey, I've given you some value here, but if you want more clarification, then I created a training on it. Okay, so I'm telling you how valuable this is because this has definitely helped me continue to grow my YouTube channel as well, right? So let me show you how. All right, so I'm going to find one of the posts, and hopefully it doesn't take me that long, but I'm going to find one of the posts that I use. I can pretty much go to any one of these and show you, but as you can see, this right here alone, I didn't even put any links there, but I got 302 eyes to that post. So I want you to imagine if I was to actually put a YouTube link there or some link where I'm helping them solve their problem with some type of product, right? I want you to think about that. That's 300 eyes. Now, before we go on, let me show you something else. So this is 13,700 answer views total. So that's 13,000 eyes that have been on the answers that I have, on the questions that I have answered. Okay. Now, 1,700 eyes this month alone. And guys, I'm telling you, that right there has been consistent. Every time I go on my Quora, I see 1,000 views every single month. So if you were getting 1,000 eyes on whatever it is that you were answering a question about, don't you think you're going to get some type of traction in your business? I believe so, because I believe in the more eyes you get, that's the more opportunities there is for someone to say yes. And that's how I feel. Okay. All right, so let me find that one specific post, because I know I did it a couple times where I linked back out to my YouTube channel so that I can lead with value first. And if someone decides to, lock arms with me or buy a product from me, then they would do it on their own terms. There's no pressure here, right? So let's go to one I think I linked it out on my YouTube. Okay, so right here, guys. So right here, this person asks, okay, what is an online job? What is an online job people can actually make money from? I know there are things like surveys, but they don't actually make you money because they give you a few cents. Okay, so that right there told me that the person doesn't want to make pennies, they want to make real money, right? They don't want to sit there and do surveys and make pennies. They want to make real money. So I said, okay, let me give this person value in the written form right here, right? I gave them value, real value, right? No fluff, and not just something, a long paragraph just to sell them. I then said, hey, now you're probably wondering, okay, that sounds good and all, but how do I actually do all what I have just explained? Well, you're in luck because I created a powerful video training. Here we go. I'm giving a call to action at no cost that will break down exactly how you will be able to make a good chunk of change online. Then I say click below to get instant access to the free training. Now get this, guys. This is my YouTube video link. So I'm not saying out of the 95 people that saw this, all 95 clicked, but I want you to think about it. Someone out of that 95 views click. At least, I would say 5 to 15%. But in between there, somebody clicked over to my video. Now, when you click over, when you click that, it'll play on Quora, right? It will play on Quora if it shows up like that. Now, they can watch it. But they may be watching this and be like, oh, I want to see it a little bit clearer. So they may actually click right here to go over to my YouTube channel. Now they're exposed to more and more and more of my content. And if someone continues to get value from you for free, they're going to wonder, like, if I pay this person, what am I going to get if I pay this person? They're giving me tons of value, right? Let me show you another example. I think I did it a few more times. Let's see here. Not so much on that one. Okay, so here we go. How do I earn $1,000 US in 1 month on YouTube, right? So what did I do? I give a little short, brief, blurb. I said, so I want to make sure I give you a valuable answer, so I put together a training over on my channel. Here we go, another call to action. How I've been having consistent $1,000 months. Okay, so take a look at the views. Out of the 36 views, I'm not saying everybody who looked at this clicked the link, but there are people who clicked the link. So guess what I did? I hyperlink I put my link there, right? So now when a person clicks, guess what it's going to take them to? One of my YouTube videos. All right, so let's see which video I put. I'm trying to remember. Okay. So I put this video. Now check that out, guys. Just look at the views and the reactions on that. Okay. 5,000 views, guys, 153 likes, 13 dislikes, and these are real views, real likes, real dislikes, real comments, over 34 comments, guys. Now, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Quora and just answering questions, providing real written value on a post, real written value. Then give a call to action. And here's the thing. Here's my advice. Here's my strategy. I don't send them directly to an affiliate link. I don't do it. The reason why is sometimes Quora will ghost your posts, ghost your responses to people's questions because they can see it's an affiliate link, right? So I provide value first. You want to lead with value first. So I use a YouTube video with content, and then now they're going to start watching a ton of my videos, and then they're going to be like, oh, okay, I want to see what this person is really doing, right? So boop, they're going to click on your link, right? There shouldn't be any pressure, okay? All right, so guys, that was today's video. I hope you now know how to make money answering questions on the internet, right? I've literally just shown you exactly how to do that. It's super simple, and as you can see, this didn't really take that much time at all. So with that being said, I hope you got some value from the video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the life you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.